So something a little bit different for today. Every so often I do a tutorial that isn't a traditional landscape as such. It's maybe a bit of architectural detail, and that's what we're looking at today. It's this doorway in Chefchaouen, and I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, in Morocco. And that little town is full of blue coloured buildings. And I did a bit of investigation into that, and the explanation varies from it's a reminder of the sky and the sea and a reminder to lead a spiritual life, or it's a colour mosquitoes don't like, so make of that what you will. But great little subject. I really enjoyed doing this. Not so much detail as loose washes, all sort of coming together with some finer detail towards the end. And interestingly here, as I'm talking now, I've spotted a little detail that I've forgotten to do. I did intend to do it and I've missed it. I'm not going to put that on. See if you can find it and let me know what it is on the members forum. See you soon.